कहि दियो कोन कोन
ये
बढ़िया
तो
कोच इंग्लिश
बड़ो कैप्टेन डा
बढ़िया है को स्कूल ना कहि दियो तम निज विषय
about yourself.
Yes.
Otherwise, when uncle will look after this video after so many days, then how can he recognize you? Speak. Not do that.
Wait, I'm thinking.
Oh.
Oh, confidence. My name is Gaurav Pradhan. I read in Don Bosco School, Lilwa. I am this. Oh, please. I'm this. Please. I'm the senior captain of the Don Bosco School, Lilwa. I read in class 6, section A.
Don't have father in the system. Babu.
I have a sister.
My father's name?
My father's name is Gauranga Chandra Pradhan. My mother's name is Jogamai Pradhan.
Mrs. Mr. Oh.
Okay, my father's name is Mr. Gauranga Chandra Pradhan. My mother's name is Mrs. Jogamai Pradhan.
Your hobbies?
No. I don't
Okay.
have any hobbies.
Yeah, you. Reading books? Or what?
You drew I drew a picture for you. Say thank you. At least I'll remember it.
I thank you for Janvi Didi for drawing the 3 diagrams for my computer project.
And डैडी सीता दीदी को कॉल करना जिन तुम्हें हड़बड़ी नहीं जल्दी बुक निकालो मैं होता तो फटाफट कर देता
जानवी तो आई नहीं
हाँ चल
वो तुम्हें भी इंट्रोडक्शन है तो मैं तुमको शर्म लगू
They know me. They don't know you. That's it. And I'm not any school captain.
They know your father's mother's name.
Yeah.
Let me ask them.
Ask Janvi.
सबसे देबे है ठीक है
मुझे माई भी सिर्फ है
मैं भी वैसे तो सुन रही हूं खुद ही घटा दे
No.
ठीक है बस
यहाँ का
Not me. You switch off the recording, then I'll come. हाँ, you switch it off, then I'll come. तुम्हारा recording चल रहा है.
Well, भाई, give some introduction.
You know the every details of you from your school.
Well, I don't know father's name. Just Chalu hai na, and
Auntie's
and auntie's name Romeo.
Rumi auntie. Oh, everything to you.
You are recording.
You.
You pointing to you. See yourself. Hi, guys.
See there?
See.
Actually, that is a diagonally set.
Diagonal.
Yeah, the camera leans across here. Ask uncle.
Ask. You
Ask
ask.
uncle.
You were scared of uncle or what?
No.
I think you are scared. It feels so.
No.
No, you are scared.
No.
It is from your face I can see.
No.
There's so much of
No.
fear in your eyes.
Tell what I
What? Tell what I?
What I will tell.
Oh, what?
Ask uncle anything then.
Anything.
What?
Ask anything what you want.
What?
Uncle, where do you study?
Ask.
Uncle studies now.
How you study? Ask.
Uncle studies now.
Yeah, he's studying. Ask.
Ask.
Uncle, where do you study?
All India Institute of Medical Sciences,
Okay,
AIMS,
I
New
don't have
Delhi.
fear. I don't have fear.
You are fearless boy. Otherwise, how could you be the senior captain?
Fearlessness?
Fearlessness?
No fear.
No fear.
Oh, fearlessness.
Or fearful. Do you want to be told fearful? You are fearless.
Uncle knows what there in your brain, you know. Ask
He knows what is going on in your brain.
What is going on?
Ask.
Uncle, what is going on in my brain?
It is, you are now thinking that people are just belittling you. They should not do that.
Belittling money?
Ask him.
Mane, belittling, they are making you feel small. They should not feel like do that because they are now making you.
No.
Are you now feeling very confident? Good. You are not thinking anything. That is wonderful. That is no mind meditation. It is very difficult to not to think anything. It is very difficult to not to think anything. That is called no mind meditation.
What is meditation?
What is meditation?
Meditation is concentrating or focusing on any single act.
No, I know.
So you at any moment of time you can think something. Not thinking anything is very, very difficult.
You are doing the difficult.
So you are able to do that most difficult task.
And now what I am thinking.
Now tell.
Now you are thinking what uncle will tell about me.
No. I am thinking I'll only do some drawings in the homework. Whatever.
You are proving uncle wrong, na? You are great. Yeah. You didn't ask Didi that question. Which one of the children wanted to post? Oh shit.
How 4 4s make 20?
4 4s make 16.
Yeah, good question. You can answer. Cat applicant.
What?
Again ask.
4 digits are there? They have the value 4. Each digit. And how could they be 20? You could do addition, subtraction, division, anything.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग आंसर नहीं बता
क्या बोल समझ नहीं पा रही हो.
अरे बाबा. How 4 4s make 20? Now it's not.
No,
You see
no.
that? 4 by 4 plus 4.
अच्छा.
We will answer.
अभी भी सब्जी देते. पूरी खाना. और पूरी खाना. You like?
You answer.
I didn't get it.
He's asking
He
there
could
are
not get anything.
4 4s. Now how to make 20 out of these 4 4s? Means use these 4 4s and any application, addition, division, subtraction, multiplication and multiplication.
Now you should not understand.
4 by 4 plus 4 into 2. Now I'm good कर रहा हूँ. सुन रहे हो?
4 divided by 4, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 into 4, 20.
Wow.
Genius. See, I'm not genius like you.
Same now, Didi. You should teach him. You should tuition classes आएगा ना? How to become better?
उसकी तुरंत आंसर दे दिला. मुझे बचाली से स्वामी जी का क्वेश्चन से 15 words and some when a shooter shoots how many are left 0. तो कहते हे ये क्या क्वेश्चन मेरे को पूछ रहे हो, ये तो बहुत इजी है.
Another question.
Okay. Easy.
Easy.
I can't be sure. There's a bad word here. Okay, this is a barber shop. No. This is a barber shop. This place, and down this there is a river. No.
Take it.
हाँ भाग सब तो अच्छी
There was a barber here, barber shop, and here was river,
हाँ
and here was Gandhiji. Why did Gandhiji did not cross the river to cut his hair?
because he didn't have hair.
Yeah. This one is easy. Okay, there's a hill here. There's a hill here. Okay, there's a river, and here was a man. In the hill there was a 200 rupees single note. Why did the man did not cross to take it?
200 because there's no 200 rupees single note.
This one I go.
Really is genius, huh?
Now I'll ask you something.
Tell.
He's confident.
Can you go to any question?
Go to the
You're so brilliant, that's why I said.
Did you question, Daddy? Ask one question.
He's a brilliant boy. He can answer all questions.
It takes 2 hours to drive one.
मैंने कल ये पूछ लिया.
Tell. तुम्हें पूछे तो तुम्हें cats rats.
तो से ड्रॉप.
अच्छा. One cat can drink a bowl of milk in 5 minutes. 5 cats can drink the same bowl of milk in how many minutes? Analysis.
1 minute.
Very good.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, what?
Sure though.
Sure.
Hold my hand.
Same you are doing in the classes also.
Hold my head. Say God promise. What are you thinking?
A new puzzle.
That's it.
No, sorry. You carry
But
on.
please.
You carry on.
Please.
Finish it.
That side, huh? No, that. Not that. That person. Sitting opposite to me.
Dhomkoji. Come at home, I'll see you.
But good muscles.
आंटी क्लापटे जेव्हा बंद कर दिली आहे मी
I'm standing up.
Great.
स्टँडिंग म्हणजे सब किती कंप्लीट
I'm sleeping for 1 hour.
What?
No, I'm sleeping for 1 hour. Yes.
Can I do? You stay here.
Okay, you stay here.
No.
I'll leave you to school
No.
tomorrow.
Please.
I'll leave you at school.
No, please.
स्कूल अच्छे काले प्रोजेक्ट है ना बरा प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे ना
Chal. First you go, then I go. First.
You go and
No,
wash my
no.
hand.
Then you.
Okay, you come. Now get up.
No, first you do all the lines, then I
You are
go.
getting.
Come.